Hello guys, thank you for tuning in to my YouTube channel, Edge Entertainment. And today, I'm going to show you how to make a lasagna, at least the way I do it myself. So I learned with a few friends through YouTube and Google, but of course, nobody does a lasagna the same way everybody does. So I'm going to do it my way. So we have garlic in powder, we have general seasoning, we have the cream cheese, regular cheese, shredded cheese, ground beef, of course. No lasagna can go without that. And also we're gonna have some additional vegetables, like onions, peppers, hot peppers, and I'm gonna chop a few of these. It doesn't really matter for me what kind of brand it is. I don't really care about that. The only thing I know is that it's gonna be beautiful. I'm gonna do, actually, we were thinking about making this dry. I see people doing it dry. I think I'm not gonna risk it. I'm just gonna put it in the water for a few minutes. So here it is. I'm gonna turn this on. Be careful with your eyes, because it might burn you. It doesn't have to be perfect because the onions are gonna be boiled. They're gonna be boiled along with the meat, so it doesn't really matter how you chop it. Some people are so detailed, everything a little chippy chops. And because we also are 3 guys, I'm gonna cook 2 pieces of meat. And tomorrow we have a friend coming over, so I'm pretty sure he's gonna finish it all up. Eduardo loves the hot pepper. I'm going to add it up. He says we shouldn't use the interior because the interior, this is all crazy. This is gonna make you go to the bathroom and screaming for water. So I would advise you to take this out. So if you have any ideas on how to do this better, just leave a comment down below this video. So we're cutting up some garlic. So I am preparing the cream cheese. We're gonna put that together with vegetables we have. For such a great amount of meat, we're definitely gonna need a lot of cheese. So I'm gonna use it all. So now we're going to add these condiments to mix them together. Let's go ahead and start with the meat. Of course, Eduardo already put 1/2, and I'm gonna do the other half. So here it is. As you can see, I don't add water. I think everybody knows that. And I don't add olive oil either, because as you can see, the meat is already sweating, see? And it's gonna cook by itself. So very soon it's gonna be really nice. And in other words, I'm not here trying to say anything good about any specific brand, but this pot is by Royal Prestige, helps cook really fast. And if you guys need something like this, just contact us, let us know how we can help you. We also cut a little bit of onions and pepper, and we're gonna add it to the meat because I want the meat to cook with great taste. Doesn't really matter. This is pepper also, pepper in powder. I'm gonna take this out a little bit for now. And our seasoning, okay? It's gonna give it a great taste to your meat, and then we mix it together. Okay, so the meat is drained, so we actually took out the fat because that's not good for you. And we're gonna add tomato sauce. Tomato sauce will be mixed with the meat, all of it. So we're gonna start putting our butter at the bottom. I would advise you to use that. It doesn't really matter what kind of butter you're gonna use. This is, as long as it really doesn't stick to the bottom when you start putting this in the oven. And the stove, the oven is already preset. We put it at 260 because we don't have 180. And according to instructions, we can put it on at 180. I've cooked lasagna before at 350, so it really doesn't matter. as long as you are watching it, it doesn't go down. So here it is. I'm going to start melting this away. Cream cheese is almost done. Actually, we had to add a little bit of milk because it needs to spread over the lasagna. The milk will make it a little more watery and easier to manage. So this is our meat right here. It's ready. They're ready to go. And then Eduardo did 1/2 with the cheese. So we will use the cream cheese to fill up the inside of the lasagna. Now we're gonna cover it with shredded cheese. We chose to do it with the mozzarella. You can do it with Parmesan. People have told me to use Parmesan. Well, in the house here we like mozzarella. So here it is. We're gonna spread it, and it's almost ready to go to the oven. Right now. And we wait 25 minutes. See when the lasagna is ready. I'm going to take it out from the oven and we're going to serve so we can have our dinner today. Look at that. It's nice and crispy. It's gonna look very juicy. So I hope. So guys, we're ready to eat. Our lasagna is ready and I'm ready to take my first bite because this looks amazing. Wow. Wow. Really good. Subscribe to our channel on Edge Entertainment. Okay, down below, it's really simple. We're gonna have a lot of videos, a lot of different types of videos. And I hope you guys enjoy it. Okay? Now, yes.